the day of my birthday, I wake up, I look across my bed, and I see this fortune, and it says 1 minute of time is worth more than 1 ounce of gold. And if you guys know me, you know that I value my time, others' time, and I take that very seriously. So first of all, I want to thank you guys for taking the next 20 minutes just to spend your time with me, getting a glimpse of what my life looks like. I'm turning 28 in this video, and I feel like 27 has brought so much growth into my life. So I want to just, share 28 lessons with you that I've learned this past year and the lessons that I'm going into in this new year. Life is about the transitions. Sometimes you will want to change your mind, and that's okay. Boundaries are necessary. America sucks. Culture is everything. Money is a tool. Time is valuable. Time is also energy. We are all domesticated. Heaven and hell is a subconscious. Reading is kind of cool. I need to see my family more. Not everyone washes their chicken. The smart don't succeed, the bold do. Having an 800 credit score means nothing. Music is a universal language. I love Berlin. Being vulnerable is a strength. Being great is a choice. Egypt is a beautiful country. I'm capable of achieving anything. Friendship breakups are tough. I think differently than most people. It's lonely at the top. There's fellowship in living your life to the fullest. I make myself happy, and that's enough. It's a blessing to wake up and see another day. Believing in yourself is always the first and most important step. Welcome to my channel. I feel like I haven't posted in a while, but I'm finally getting back into the swing of posting again and getting all my clips and everything together. Family, but I've been good. How have you guys been? For anyone who cares, going on with me lately, I've been having a lot of friend issues, you guys. And I don't want to say it's issues. It's mostly me setting boundaries for myself and finally expressing what does and does not work for me and seeing how others react to that. I've had friends who've had good reactions who were like, you know what, I was for doing that. I'm sorry. I will not do that again. And I've had really, really, really close friends who I called best friends, and have not so good reactions to it. And I'm learning about myself and about others and realizing maybe people should not be in your life for a reason, and maybe some people are worth giving a second chance and rekindling those friendships. I'm the type of person, you mess up once, bye, cut out of my life. But I'm also the type of person who can let things build up because I don't like to really share my emotions and my feelings. And that's not good either because people can't read mine, So I'm learning to be more vocal, but being vocal in a respectful way because, I can go a little ratchet, Anyway, I am going to be leaving for Texas tonight, so you guys are going to come along with me and see life with my family. In Texas, it is such a beautiful day here. Definitely hot, but it feels good. There's butterflies. My parents always do a garden every year, and so my dad just gave me a really cute tour of his garden. So he has grapes and blackberries here. There's tomatoes and garlic, bell pepper. They do a really good job with gardening considering that they just kind of up and just decided to do it. They get a lot of fruits and vegetables that grow here. They have Brussels sprouts, I guess, but Look how beautiful it is. You hear the cicadas. That's how you know we're in Texas. I am not used to driving anywhere, y'all. This parking is so confusing. I made it here fine. I just don't know where to park. Apparently there's free parking somewhere, so we're almost there. This is why I left early, because I knew. It's really pretty. Cute. I like this. This is Angela. I don't know if you've been in a vlog. I'm sure you have.
No.
No?
Oh, your YouTube vlog?
Yeah.
Hey, YouTube.
In Dallas, the Henry. Thank you. Ew, why? You're like forcing pictures on people. Guys, I almost had to check my bag in. This has never happened to me before where they made me measure my personal bag, but because this is the only thing I have, they had to check it and like key me in, and literally almost made it, but I was able to negotiate and they let me take it in. But oh my gosh, I almost had to pay to bring my bag in, but we're good. I'm inside. Now I'm going to the lounge to see the lounge here in Dallas, so let's see.
Please do not block the doors. Allow people to exit.
My flight has been delayed for an hour now, and we get our next alert at 8:30 to see if it's delayed even more. So, happy traveling. Update. I'm going home. They kept delaying the flight. There was no news of when this flight was going to take off. They just kept saying, next update, 30 minutes, next update, 30 minutes. So they gave us all snacks, and they gave us the option to rebook for a flight tomorrow. So that is what I'm doing. My parents are going to come pick me up, and I'm going to go home and spend more time with my family. What a day. Let's try this again.
Mine just was not.
Would you also heard one?
Yo, that's a bird. I thought it was my alarm clock. It won't shut up. I made it back from Texas, y'all. That was insane. As you saw, it was Pride yesterday, which was fun, but it wasn't fun traveling through it all. I didn't realize that I was coming back through all the madness and chaos. And it's honestly terrifying too, to go through all of that knowing like people are crazy nowadays. Like people are shooting up the trains. There was this lady like got like stabbed by a machete on her leg. Like she has a big slash mark, had to get stitches on the train of this guy just like randomly just going around cutting people. So I was low-key a little uneasy as I was traveling back from all that, but I'm back, I'm home, I'm safe, very thankful about that. But I just got done cleaning my room. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm doing laundry now. And I really want to go somewhere else. Like I feel like I'm everywhere. Like I'm always like constantly like traveling, which is what I love. And I literally just got back home from New York, was excited about being here, and now I want to go somewhere else.
I dream in color, hate the summer. I act tougher than I really am. I'm a fuck up, told my mother I don't love her when she's all that I have.
That camera, and we're starting this camera. Don't know why I need this camera, but we're gonna do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. What's up, you guys? My name is Sheridon. Second video, let's get it. Time for veggie
Wow, that was so good. I got like a concert.
I haven't heard that song in so long.
Yeah, there's a reason.
A bop.
Yeah.
Y'all, I'm literally sweating. I got invited out to a Don Toliver show tonight, but I'm going to dinner, so I like ran back, dropped my bag because I'm pretty sure I won't be able to bring my bag into Madison Square Garden. We're back on the run, you guys. We're back in New York. We're back like high speed. Y'all, this bird is back at it, bro. Oh, it flew away.